Study the diagram below. Study the diagram below, which represent various organic reactions, and answer the questions that follow. Now we have reaction 1. So ngaso sonke isikhathi siqala ngani? Isikhathi esiningi kuqalwa ngani nge-alkene. So lapha kunendawo sinani? Sine-alkene. Alkene yethu ebukeka kanje. Shuthi laphana sinani? Sine-double bond. Ngoba uyabona ukuthi kushoda u-hydrogen. La u-hydrogen fanele bawu-3, bawu-2. La u-hydrogen fanele bawu-2, oyedwa. Kusho ukuthi sinani in between bona labo carbon? Sine-double bond. Size la. U-reaction 1. For u-reaction 1, yabona i-catalyst maku-platinum, kusho ukuthi basuke be-ede bani? Basuke be-ede u-hydrogen. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama kuzobreak-eka leya pi bond. That pi bond will break. Uvula isikhala. Kusho ukuthi laphana silindele into ekanje. Besinento ekanje before. So ya-break i-pi bond. Labo hydrogen esiba-edayo-ke bazongena la. Sibone ngani fanele si-ede u-hydrogen, sibone ngo-platinum. Carbon to carbon only. Carbon to hydrogen, carbon only. That is a platinum catalyst esiyisebenzisayo. So reaction 2, check-ke la sisesi-reaction 2 ozosikhiphela ubani? I-compound. Compound bani? Compound B. Basitshena ukuthi si-add amanzi. But abasitshenanga ini? I-condition. Okay, siyidinga kakhulu condition. We know ukuthi laphana uma ngabe si-add amanzi kwi-alkene kuzokwenzakalani laphaya? Shuthi sizo-add u-OH no-hydrogen. Sobona ngani ukuthi u-OH fanele ayi-carbon number 2, u-OH ayi-carbon number 1. Bathe bafuna i-main product. I-main product according to Markovnikov rule. Uthi Markovnikov's rule, OH attaches to more substituted carbon. So ake sibukeke. Imuphi la u-carbon o-more substituted than omunye? So lana la kunesikhala. So u-carbon o-more substituted lana yilo. Uno-hydrogen abawu-2. While lo part nendawo uno-hydrogen onjani? Markovnikov zozibhedisa. O-OH for a main product must attach to less substituted carbon. So OH fanele eze la. U-hydrogen eze la. For a main product. U-OH siyasithi-ke masizama ukuyichaza sithi lo ohluphekayo uzohlupheka kakhulu. Lo obusayo uzobusa kakhulu. Uma ungathatha lento le as imali, thatha u-hydrogen as imali, kusho ukuthi thathe u-hydrogen as imali. Shuthi u-OH uzoza la for a main product. Lo u-hydrogen eze la. So if sithatha u-hydrogen as imali, sithi lo ohlupheka uzohlupheka kakhulu, lo obusa uzobusa kakhulu. So shuthi u-carbon wokuqala beno-hydrogen ababili bebusa. Lo hydrogen ophakathi nendawo beno-hydrogen eyedwa behlupheka for a main product. uzoqhubeka ahlupheke, o-H sezo-athacha kuye. Lo carbon usekuqaleni uzothola enye imali futhi oku-hydrogen abuse kakhulu for a main product. So for reaction 3, mase sisuka ngapha ku-B siya laphaya, sikhanda ini, i-alkene. We are moving from single bonds to double bonds. Since we are moving from single bonds to double bonds, kuzokwenzakalani la? Ama-condition kuzoba, we need the concentrated H2SO4. We need concentrated H2SO4 with heat. With heat. Ngaso sonke isikhathi kuzoba i-constant, into esizoyi-add nje once we move from single to double bond. Njengoba sine-double bond lapha, ngapha sinama-single. Esik-add-ayo kufanele kube concentrated. Yini esizoyi-add-a? Once kwakhona u-carbon attached to oxygen, carbon attached to oxygen, we must add sulfuric acid. We must add sulfuric acid. So we are moving from this side to this side, forming a double bond. Now we need a sulfuric acid, concentrated one with heat. Now bese siya lapha phezulu, HBr ngasoshayo isikhathi. HBr lapha compound C ngicela umbhala la. 1, 2, 3. Nakhona we are adding to a double bond. So laphana-ke u-Br njengoba besishilo according to Markovnikov rule, lo ohluphekayo uzohlupheka kakhulu, lo obusayo uzobusa kakhulu. So obusayo ubani? Lo carbon lo no-hydrogen ababili, lo phakathi nendawo no-hydrogen eyedwa. So la kuzoza u-Br for a main product, hydrogen uzoza la. So that is compound C. Okay, for compound V, as case not compound V, but this reaction now, this reaction, this is Roman figure 1, 2, kuyakuna-nkinga lokho. For this reaction, yini esizoyidinga ukusuka ku-compound C siya ku-compound le part nendawo. Sizodinga a strong base, KOH, or singathi KOH nani ne-heat. We will need heat because since we are moving from single bonds to double bonds, so sodinga heat lapha, a strong base with a heat. Masifuna ukubuyela emuva siyokhipha ini, i-alkene leya ilaphaya. So for that reaction, ama-conditions esiwadingayo for le reaction le, sidinga ini, we are moving from a haloalkane to an alcohol. We need H2O or dilute. Now, we are moving from single bonds to single bonds. Akufaneleke into esi-add-ayo ibe concentrated. Fanele ibe dilute because we are moving from single bonds to single bonds. We are not moving to double bonds. It must be a dilute, NaOH plus heat. I-heat ingaba mild heat. Why izoba mild? Because we are moving from single bonds to single bonds. Asinakho asi-add into, asi-remove but siyashintsha. Yabo, we are doing a substitution reaction. If it is an elimination or addition, you must add a strong or concentrated catalyst. Asibukeni-ke laphana, bathi write down the type of reaction represented by Roman figure 3. That is an elimination reaction. Elimination reaction, kusuka la siza la, This one, in there. What type of reaction is this one? That is a substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. What type of substitution reaction? It might be a hydration or hydrolysis. This one is a hydration or hydrolysis. Ngibuka isikhathi njalo guys. Kunyangisabhala. Write down the name or formula of a suitable catalyst needed for reaction to Sambono reaction to or reaction to guys we need H2SO4 ngoba si-eda ini si-eda OH noma siyale sidinga yena unakhuzana kuzoba no-carbon no-oxygen, carbon to oxygen, carbon to oxygen. We need sulfuric acid. Now write down the name or formula of an inorganic reactant needed for reaction 1 sithewubani u-H2 nanyo H2 simbhalile. Consider this reaction. Write down the name of the compound C. Igama la compound C 2-bromo 2-bromo propane 2-bromo propane. The type of addition reaction shown for C hydrogen ne-halogen ke hydrogen ne-halogen, so it is halogenation. Hydrohalogenation. Is alcohol B a primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohol? Give the reason for your answer. This one is the secondary alcohol. Secondary. Secondary alcohol. Why? This one, functional group is bonded to 2 carbon atoms. So I should say a functional group is bonded to 2 carbon atoms. But for this reaction, write down the type of elimination V, that is removal HBr, that is dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation. Two reaction conditions. Now, yaswabhalile. We need heat. And a strong base, KOH. It might be KOH, guys, or NaOH. I'm a strong base, la swatingai. NaOH or LiOH or KOH. Mawuya kwi-periodic table yakho, K bathola ku-period number 1 bese ubahlanganisa noba no-OH bazokunikeza ama-strong base. So bathi-ke for reaction, write down the balanced chemical equation using a structural formula. So ilula-ke angithi uzothi lo umhlanganise, we need oyedwa walapha. It's either uzothatha u-OH umbeke la or uthathe NaOH umbeke laphaya bese usikhiphela bani? Usikhiphela lo. Shuthi kahle kahle laphana uzoplaza NaOH bese usikhiphela loya, kuzophuma lo plus loya Br loya uzohamba nobani? Uzohamba no-NaBr. Formula yethu izosuka la athi ngiyibhale vele. So to plus NaOH kusikhiphele loya plus bani u-NA uzohamba nobani naloya BR uzophuma laphaya ngoba kungena u-OH kwaphuma bani u-BR. So ileya reaction-ke esinikeza how many marks? 5 marks. Ngabanga 5 marks.